CISSP certification and government security roles. A deep dive. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, certification could be the key to unlocking new opportunities in the field of information security. What is a CISSP certification? A CISSP certification is a globally recognized certification in the field of information security. Government security roles and CISSP certification. Government organizations hold a vast amount of sensitive data that must be protected from cybersecurity threats. Advantages of CISSP certification in government security roles. Enhanced knowledge. The certification covers a wide range of cybersecurity domains, equipping you with the necessary skills to protect government IT environments. Career advancement. CISSP certification can open up new career opportunities and lead to higher paying positions within government organizations. Ethical hacking skills. CISSP certification includes knowledge of ethical hacking, allowing you to identify and address vulnerabilities in government systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, CISSP certification plays a crucial role in securing government IT environments and advancing careers in cybersecurity. By obtaining this certification, you can demonstrate your expertise in various cybersecurity domains and qualify for prestigious government security roles.